Do we all have to play? Yeah. Oh, Sassy. Go play with your friends. Emma, use your inside voice. Emma, use your inside voice. Emma, use your inside voice. Sassy, are you going to go play next door? What's the sassy girl? Emma, use your inside voice. Who can get under the gate? Who can do that? Who's stuck? Who's stuck? Going, gone. Oh, Rebel, you better go get her. Rebel, you better go get her. Rebel, you better go get her. Is everybody calm to go play now? Okay. Let's go play. Okay, let's go play. Oh, who's coming back? Okay, come on, everyone, let's go play. Come on, let's go play. Come on, everybody. Come on, Coco. Come on, Coco. Come on. Come on, Rebel. Come on. Come on, Rebel. Come on. Rebel, come on, let's go play. Oh my goodness, who wants to play? Who wants to play? Come on, use my doggy door.